Well, what do you see on the charts?
See, in case of Dish TV, I think the results may have said that, okay, the losses are lesser as compared to expectation. But I don't think that's really going to do anything good for from a trader's perspective. And in a stock which has improved from 60 rupees to 90 rupees over the last few months, I don't think too many people are going to hang around and try to hold the stock long. That is for the value players to do later. So I think traders will actually pummel the stock, and that is what you are seeing right now. A break below 88.50, I think, will break the short-term trend line, and I think we are headed down to about 80.81 at the minimum. So
Right.
those who are in profits and holding the stock long, I would definitely suggest that they take profits. I don't see the stock going above 90 for the shorter term, and I think we will trade down to 80 prior to seeing any sort of upside. So exit from long positions. Those who are a little more aggressive can even think of shorting at
Right.
around 90 with a stop at about 94, 95.
All right. Then
And
CK,
Lupin, I think, yep.
carry on with your call on Lupin as well.
Yeah, I think Lupin is placed in a similar fashion. Nice big upside move which had actually pushed the stock up higher than what it normally goes. But there's news about large bulge bracket investor exiting, whether true or otherwise. I think that is also due for some amount of profit taking. But I think that's a stock, if you look at it from a trend perspective, which is clearly into a strong uptrend. So in the case of Lupin, I think traders, investors, short, medium, long, every sort of variety should wait for lower levels to actually look to buy Lupin. For the moment, it might have some amount of pressure because A, there is this news, B, the day is a little weakish. So I think you might get pressured a little, but about 440, 45 is the range where I would definitely look to buy Lupin.
Okay. CK Narayan there joining us live on the show. Thanks for your stock tips.